Hi guys, today I'm here with a useful trick in Android Studio. Okay, how will you change the package name of an application in Android Studio? I'll show you. Okay, click the gear icon and uncheck the compact empty middle packages. When I uncheck that, you will see the directory structure is broken down. Okay, then go to the build.gradle and change the application ID there. Com- Okay, I'm just copying it. Click sync now. Okay, then go to manifest and Android manifest.xml. Rename the package there also and save it. Okay, then go to Java. You can see the direct structure in the first folder. Right click and go to refactor and rename. Click rename package and just type com and click do refactor here. Then right click on the next directory. Click refactor, rename package. Click refactor, click do refactor here. Right click on next, repeat the step. Click refactor, do refactor. You can see this error is gone. Okay, now it's done. Okay, thank you.